In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize meta descriptions on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to edit your product meta descriptions and how to write ones that attract clicks and improve your search visibility. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Shopify website. At the top right, click the login button. Select your Shopify account to continue and proceed to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Products. This is where all of your items are listed. Choose the product you want to optimize. A good place to start is a bestseller or a product that already gets some traffic, since improvements here can have an immediate impact. On the product page, scroll down until you see the search engine listings section. This area controls how your product appears on search engines. Click the pencil icon to edit the details. In the editor that opens, locate the meta description field. This is the short summary that search engines often display underneath your page title, and it's your chance to persuade a searcher to click. Type your meta description with a target length of roughly 140 to 160 characters. Staying within this range helps prevent your text from getting cut off in results. Include your main keyword naturally, for example, women's sweater, so search engines and shoppers immediately understand what the page offers. Highlight a clear value or differentiator. Think about fabric quality, unique features, shipping speed, or guarantees, so the description doesn't read like a generic line of text. Finish with a subtle call to action such as shop now, discover more, or get yours today to encourage clicks. As you write, aim for natural, readable language. Avoid keyword stuffing, which can feel spammy and reduce trust. Try not to repeat the same description across multiple products. Unique descriptions help each page rank for its most relevant terms. If you see a search preview in this section, use it to gauge how your description might appear on Google. If the end looks truncated, trim a few words or tighten your phrasing. Also, be cautious with special characters or extra punctuation that may not display well. When you're happy with the copy, click Save. That's it. Your product's meta description is updated. For best results, repeat this process for your other key products to build consistency across your catalog. With these concise, value-driven descriptions in place, you'll be giving searchers a compelling reason to visit your store and explore your products.